Hey guys, it's me back again, bringing you a DVD unboxing. And today we have Pingu series 4, volume 2. Join Pingu or 65 minutes of ice cool fun. From the spine back. Frolics around the playful collection of a always reach the cool penguin and all his pals. The episodes are Pingu the Pilot, Pingu teases Pingu, Pingu's Wish, Pingu's Curious, Pingu Gets Organised, Pingu Builds a Tower, Pingu the King, Pingu the Baker, Pingu and the Doll, Pingu helps Grandfather, Pingu on a Bad Day, Pingu loses his bet and Pingu in the club at 65 minutes. So here's from the spine and back. There's the disc. So if you enjoyed my unboxing of Play with Pingu, I'll subscribe on my channel. Bye.